Before we get into today's episode, here's your opportunity to wear confidence and identity. Order yours today. Link in bio. Welcome back to In the Spotlight podcast with Tazz. To all our listeners and viewers, thank you for tuning in. Today, we're discussing a developing legal story out of North Texas that has generated significant attention and debate. This report comes from Fox 4 KDFW Dallas-Fort Worth. According to Fox 4, attorneys representing Karmelo Anthony have filed a motion seeking a new trial following his conviction in the death of Austin Metcalf, who was fatally stabbed during a Frisco track meet in April 2025. Anthony was convicted of first-degree murder and sentenced to 35 years in prison in June 2026. In the new filing, Anthony's legal team argues that his constitutional rights were violated during the trial process. One of their central claims is that an alleged off-the-record agreement concerning what evidence could be presented to the jury changed unexpectedly, influencing the defense's decision not to have Anthony testify in his own defense. Defense attorneys contend they were given only a short period of time to decide whether Anthony would take the stand after prosecutors allegedly challenged those protections. The filing also alleges that public access to portions of the proceedings was improperly restricted, which the defense says violated Anthony's Sixth Amendment right to a public trial. Additionally, the defense has raised concerns about the conduct of the trial judge during post-trial matters. The Collin County District Attorney's Office has strongly denied the allegations, stating that prosecutors acted ethically and in accordance with the court's rulings throughout the trial. The DA's office says it remains confident in both the verdict and the fairness of the proceedings. As this case moves forward, a newly assigned judge will help determine certain post-trial issues, including matters raised by Anthony's legal team. The request for a new trial now becomes the next major chapter in a case that has drawn national attention. This story is courtesy of Fox 4 KDFW Dallas-Fort Worth. Stay with us as we continue to follow the developments and discuss what they could mean for the appeal process and the broader conversation surrounding this high-profile case. We want to know what you think. Comment wherever you catch this story. If you enjoyed this segment, be sure to follow Tazz on social media at ALLTHINGSSPOTLIGHT. And don't forget to follow In the Spotlight podcast at ALLTHINGSSPOTLIGHT across all social media platforms for more commentary, conversations, and exclusive content. Also, make sure you're subscribed to In the Spotlight podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, iHeartRadio, or wherever you get your podcasts so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and keep your eyes on the stories that matter. We'll catch you on the next episode of In the Spotlight podcast.